Check out where you can get commercial real estate financing and how to qualify. What are some types of commercial real estate loans? You can invest in real estate with an SBA 7A loan or an SBA 504 loan. Conventional bank loans are another option, as are hard money loans. Joint venture loans allow parties to share the risk and returns from commercial property investment without having to formally enter into a real estate partnership. You can get a commercial mortgage from Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae. You can try credit unions or even life insurance companies. Another option is HUD. Visit the StackSource.com article for more details. You can try an online marketplace loan. This is also called a soft money loan. This is because interest rates are still higher than conventional bank loans, but they are lower than loans from hard money lenders. For the most part, online marketplaces match borrowers with short-term loans. These run from 6 months to a few years. Read the following FortuneBuilders.com article for more details. What do most lenders look for when checking if you qualify for commercial real estate financing? This depends on the lender and the type of financing. What they check can include available collateral, borrower creditworthiness, and certain financial ratios dependent on characteristics of the property. Borrowers may have to provide several years of financial statements and income tax returns. Lenders may also want to see financial statements indicating cash flow for the property to be financed. Read the following Reonomy.com blog post for more information. Check out where you can get commercial real estate financing and how to qualify.